Hello friends, welcome. We have a quick update and will for a very short time we'll be discussing, and my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, hit the like button also, so you'll be getting all the notifications. Tomorrow within 1 or 2 days I will be uploading the basic second tutorials, but before that today I have updated certain things I want to share with you all, so you can I will give you the updates of that one. So I hope you can easily study that and be ready for the next week introduction classes, and we are going to discuss a lot on that. It is just before starting the Hello World program or the very basic one. I just want certain clarification why we are using Python, what are the areas Python is working, you can work it. And second thing is, if it is not Python, say what's the difference between a Python and other compiler and all, what's a interpreter language and a compile language. This also will include it, though these things are not a must, but having this knowledge will help you to better understand the error messages, where from it is coming, and for a later stage also it will be useful to you. But one thing, if you feel it is complicated or little theoretical, you can continue the Python and come back once again after. If you are a beginner, then after studying something more about the programming, data structure and all. Pratik, hi Pratik, namaste. So once you have studied, you can come back again. So for that purpose I have created that particular domain area wise where Python is used. And the most important, probably Monday or Tuesday we'll discuss about the difference between a compiled language and an interpreted language. So what is we'll discuss some examples also. But before that, I just want you to study one particular. The link is in the description. Let me just take you there. Yeah, here it is. This link is there in the description. It's the homepage of our Python area. You can see what's this Python use and across different domains. I want, before we move next week all the details and all, you just study this comparison. It's a comparison table I have prepared. It is something not a very means it is very difficult to get experience in all the areas, but these are the probability of more in where the Python is used as a first choice, or the Python is best for that, or Python can be used but Python is not preferred. So there are two scenarios. Say one example I am giving. I am giving you an example here out of this table. You read everything and just go through this. There are some areas you may not agree with me also. Then I'll just request you, please write that in the comment section. What is the reason why you don't agree with me on all these classifications and all. So there is a graphic. Say I want you to develop a logo. Then what you will do, you can write the same thing in Python also. Python also can support lines, curves, arcs. You can fill the color and all. But did you like to develop a logo or design a graphics using Python? Definitely not. You will jump into Photoshop or use Canva to design. Similarly, different areas are there: web development, data science. Some cases Python is preferred, or Python is the first choice, or can do, but we don't use that for that purpose. So that is why the classification is made here. You read these columns, wherever it is in the green, it is the first choice. Please go through this. This will help you. And you are not agreeing with me, because there is also boundary cases are there. Suppose you are using for some particular purpose C, C++ or SAR for some machine level interaction. Say you are reading some data and creating. So all there it is used, and Python is. But if you are using Python, I can say that fine, the future it is there. So you may not agree with me. Just write it in the comment section about that. Embedded system and IoT, I am in particularly talking about that. This particular one, you may not agree, because slowly Python is also entering into this area. And another thing, this is true as of now. Tomorrow the technology comes, the more libraries, better library comes. So what happens that again you may change we may change to the whether to go for Python or not go, that our classification may change. So as of now, more or less, this is the classification. Please go through this. Then all this second part, interpreted versus a compiled language, this we will discuss bit more. See, these two things, both things are not necessary that you to do a programming in Python you must know, but understanding this will help you better. That's why my request is, please study this particular page, all the content here once, and then when we start it, you will be in a better position. What is C language and Python difference is there, how the system works in C, what is a compiled, here you can see interpreted language, compiled language. Study that. We'll discuss more on that. That is the idea, friends. So quickly to tell you about that, it is not some very say just for a couple of minutes, and so I thought it is already 6 minutes. So enjoy your weekend, and again we'll back probably Monday. I will able to show you upload some tutorials also on the basics of Python, not advanced. Then Monday also we'll discuss, Tuesday also compiler and all we'll discuss. Wednesday onwards we'll go for hello world program. If it is there, no hurry, slowly we'll move. And I will also discuss what are the development platforms you use, whether you are using Visual Studio Code or PyCharm, or one of my favorite one, why I like that platform, I will also explain to you. So those things we'll discuss. Please hit the like button and tell your friends also to join. So we are continuing with our live sessions, and please hit the like button. So and subscribe also if you are not done yet. So and we'll continue Python next week. Hope you will all join me, and that's all. So no questions are there. We'll close the session. And if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it, or below our tutorials also you can post it. That's all, friends. Thank you. Hope you will join again. Thank you. Thank you for watching.